to buy the right filter, change it on time, check it every 30 days, right? And look, I've been doing HVAC for over 20 years and I still see this all the time. People go to the extremes. Either they buy the cheapest filter, it's kitchen sandwich bags and meatballs, or they buy the most fancy hospital grade Mac Daddy filter, which is then stopping up airflow. Don't do that. You want to buy the right filter, change it on time, check it every 30 days, right? Change it on time, make sure it fits in the slot. If you're not sure what to buy, ask a tech or reach out. That's what we're here for.